Hello ma'am. May I know your name and where do you stay?
My name is Devi Singh and I stay in Kabinagar.
What is your child's age?
I have two children who are enrolled here. My daughter is 10 and my son is 6.
Which kind of classes were you looking for them?
For my daughter, I was looking for a class who could teach an instrument which could be played with both hands. And that is the reason why I enrolled them for keyboard here.
Which all institutes did you look for?
I didn't look for an institute because there is no other institute which teaches keyboard to small children.
So which one did you choose finally and why?
See, I chose Artworks for keyboard because there was no other place which would teach, and I chose Artworks for art, that is drawing and painting. That's another of their courses, because art is not taught as a standalone subject here, but it is integrated with other walks of life as well. So for example, if you choose a moon, if you draw a moon, you are not just told about the moon, but you are told about the universe. So it sort of gives the children a very holistic knowledge.
Based on your experience, tell us two good things which you really like about Artworks.
In my belief, any educational institution, however big or small, can work only with its mentor's vision. And I find Mr. Dixit's vision to be very clear and to be very strong. And he is a very good educator. So that's my sole reason for getting both my kids here, so that they can come, learn and explore new things. Also, the environment here is very safe for children.
And anything that could be better?
I would prefer if there is a regular feedback about the children. I pick and drop my kids myself most of the time. So there are times when I am able to talk to the teacher, sometimes I am not. So for example, if my daughter needs more practice with a particular song, if there could be a diary that is maintained that she needs this kind of practice, these many hours should be put in practice. So a more regular feedback.
Last question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely would you like to recommend Artworks to other parents?
I would strongly recommend Artworks to other parents. I would rate it on as 4.5.
Thank you so much for your feedback.
Hello.
May I know your name and where do you stay?
Myself Sweetie Dhingra. I reside in Dhyana Nagar, Classified.
What is your child's age?
My child, I have two children. The elder one is 8 years old and the younger one is 4 years old.
What kind of classes were you looking for them?
For the elder one, I was looking for the art institute. Actually, my elder daughter was very much interested in art, and her teachers told me to put her in some art institute. So I started looking for some best art institute.
So which all art schools did you look for?
I searched in Pinto Institute and then I come to Artworks.
So you finally chose Artworks.
Definitely.
Can you share us the reason as well?
Artworks, I had a chat with few of the parents who were sending their children to Artworks, and I was quite satisfied with the conversation I had with them, and I was very much satisfied with the environment over here. So I decided to put my children to Artworks.
Based on your experience, tell us two good things which you really like about Artworks.
The first and the most important thing is the teacher. The teacher who interacts with the children should be the best. And Mr. Anupam Dixit is the gem. The conversation and the comfortable level with the children is mind-blowing. Second thing is he doesn't teach just art. He teaches things beyond that also. He teach them taking things practically, not just theoretically. And we had a wonderful experience when he arranged some meeting in Meerut, where he shown the children the stars also through the telescope, and that was mind-blowing.
And anything that could be better?
I don't think so.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely would you like to recommend Artworks to other parents?
Definitely 5.
Thank you so much for your feedback. May I know your name and where do you stay?
I'm Rima Sachdev, and I stay in Rajnagar, Rajibhar.
What is your child's age?
My son is 6 and my daughter is 11 years old.
What were you looking for then?
Well, basically I was looking for a place where they can spend some time and learn something, plus where they could be safe also.
Which are the options did you look for?
Well, I did not look for many options. There was another art class where my daughter used to go earlier, but the student-teacher ratio is not very good over there. There was just one teacher and many students. Plus, I also looked for a music class, but there, it was not specifically for children. Elder people were also there, and I was not very comfortable leaving my child there.
So which one did you choose finally and why?
Artworks, and I chose it mainly because I felt it's safe for children to be here, even if I leave them unattended, which I do. They are safe here, and the teachers here are good, and I had learned got a positive response from other parents, so I left them here, and I'm happy that I did.
Based on experience, there is 2 good things which you really like about Artworks.
First is, as I said, the teacher-student ratio is very good. There are only 5 students per teacher, 5 or 6 students. Plus, the teachers are very good. They take individual interest in the students' progress.
And anything that could be better?
I think they are as good as they are. Because in Ghaziabad you don't get many options. So I feel this is as good as it gets.
Last question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely would you like to recommend Artworks to other parents?
Definitely 5 on 5.
Thank you so much for your feedback, ma'am.
Thank you.